So here we start with the patches on top of each other, bonded with an adhesive to make sure they stay in place before they go on to the next process in the assembly. But Joe King patches, the running to stay patch. And here we have the sewing process, and we'll speed it up just to make sure that you can see your patch. Here's running to stay patch. We just saw the Joe King patch. Quick inspection. Now here comes the Joe King icon patch. Upper patch sewed onto the background patch. And drinking doubles. Same process. Upper patch sewed onto the background patch. So you've got the adhesive and then it's sewn on top of that. Final inspection. Here they are. They're looking good. Running to stay. Joe King drinking doubles with some of the lyrics cut into them. The icon patch. Name and logo around the border. Look at the details. And the Joe King patch. You can be serious and Joe King at the same time. Next step in the process. Leather tab added to the back for a unique touch. A little added value to it. Like I said, each one of these are handcrafted. These hats are handcrafted here in Texas. And gonna give it one last inspection. Happy with it? Nope, not happy with it. Let's back it off. Try it again. Todd Bloom, the designer, on all of these is a perfectionist, and that's a good thing. Gonna give it one last look. Yep, happy with it. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Remove the backing. Attach the leather piece to both sides. Press down for adhesion. And now it's got the punch out. There's already a hole in there, but he will punch through the cap to make sure everything lines up right. And here's the next one. Boom, boom. Then you hear him picking up the rivet, attaching the hardware. That way you don't have to worry about adhesive failing or wearing over time, because each piece is riveted onto the cap. So none of these are machine processed. These are all done by hand. Now we'll press the rivet to complete that portion of the hat. Quick inspection along the way. Yep, looks good. One more time on the next one. Boom. And remember earlier when you heard a noise in the beginning, it sounded like a machine going back and forth. I'm going to show you what that was in just a second. Final inspection. Yep, happy with it. It's going to stay. Looks good. Admire your work. Yes, sir. That's a good looking hat right there. And there you go. See all these wooden pieces with Joe's name and logo? That's what you heard printing in the first segment of this video. And now we're going to attach them to each hat. So with each hat, You get that. I kind of call it the mini pearl kind of look. She always had that price tag attached to her hats. But at the end of this video, we will show you some different uses for those JK logo pieces. And I think we're going to work on designing some new products even around that piece. It's so much more than just a hat. This is what they call wearable art. And you can see all of the details and effort that go into making each hat. Here's a necklace with the logo. There's a keychain. Some examples there. Another example of the necklace and a hat. And there you go. Thanks for watching.